Ooh, look at that. Hey everybody, welcome back. Andrew's World 666. I am going to open these 8-bit Ninja Turtles and the Funko edition ones. And the Shredder. Exclusive. And I am going to put them in this cool case. It's a baseball case you can get from Michael's or like any of those craft stores. I don't know what they are, like $50 or something like that. You usually wait till you get them, get a coupon, I don't know, 40% off, 30% off, 25, anything, any kind of coupons you get. That's what I would use them for. But yeah, gonna get a video up. I think it's gonna be quite a long one, so I'm not gonna really have everything showing. Probably do like some fast time and add some music to it and stuff like that. Stop and go if anything happens. But yeah, alright, bye.